check out this beautiful 1965 Mustang Fastback. This is a true fastback, and the motor's been built for performance. 347 stroker, 4-speed transmission, so it's a manual transmission. Everything works, heater works, lights work, car drives amazing. Motor was just rebuilt. It really runs awesome. You can hear it now. I mean, just really cool. It's a Shelby tribute, so it's got the GT350 stripe down the side. Just a really, really nice car. Listen, let's look at that bad boy run. Got the trumpet exhaust, the Shelby stripes, solid floors and frame. I took really good pictures. Check it out. Look at the inside. Beautiful. White, blue vinyl interior. Radio works. Just an amazing car. Check us out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.